Hello, phone connected.
What's up, y'all? Quick little short video, ripping home from work. Oh, you're drifting.
Intercom failed. Try again. Goodbye.
I thought we were going to talk to Trippy, but it's not working. She's snowy. Oh, I almost hit Trippy. Oh, it's ice. I can hear him talking. Oh God, we're onto the road, guys. Oh! Yay! I wonder if Trippy will follow me through here. Yay! Oh! Sliding, sliding, sliding! Whoa! Whoa! God! She's slick out here, guys. Whoa! We're not taking that trail today. Did we tap Trippy's tire? Hey, nice fender. That thing is tiny. Yes, guys, I know Trippy's bag is. We all said it's orange. Guess we gotta go with orange now. Ah! Hell yeah, guys, let's give you a quick little short for you. Enjoy. We'll see you on the next video.